Hi friends, my name is Sushil and welcome to my YouTube channel Finovative. Today we're going to discuss about one of the new IPO that has come into the market, which is Happiest Minds Limited. It's an IT company which is based in Bangalore, and we'll discuss about history of the company, business overview, and we'll talk about the financials, and then we'll discuss about should we subscribe to this IPO or not. Okay, so let's get started with our discussion. So the agenda will go like this. So we have the historical background, business overview, financial details, IPO details, and should I subscribe? So talking about the business details, the company was founded in 2011 by Ashok Sutta, and it's headquartered in Bangalore. So company is basically positioned as born digital and born agile. So that's what they majorly focus on. And they have major customers who is looking for digital experience, and around 97% of their revenue comes from this digital portfolio. They have the three business units which they have divided their work into. That is a digital business services, product engineering services, and the infrastructure management and security services. To support these particular business models, they do have the three center of excellence which they have identified, which is the Internet of Things, analytics and artificial intelligence, and digital process automation. Okay, so these are three center of excellence which is supporting those three business units. They do have around 148 active customers as on June 30th, 2020. Okay, and as I said, there are around 97% of their previous year's revenue came from the digital businesses. Okay, so this is a high-level detail about their business overview. Moving on to the financial details. Here you can see the results from 2018, 2019, and expected value for 2020 December. Okay, so moving from 2018 to 2019, from the loss they have moved into profit of around 14 crores, and their expectation is that by 2020 December they'll have a profit of 71 crores. Okay, which will be an increase of 10% in their revenue. 10% in the profit increase. Okay, so far actually on June 30th, 2020, they have made a net profit of 50 crores. Okay, that is an increase of 28% to the revenue. The ROC and ROE is very good compared for a mid-cap company. Okay, so this is high-level understanding about the financial details. Moving on to IPO details. So it's a fresh issue and also the offer for sale from the existing promoters. Okay, so the issue size is around 698.45 crores and 702.02 crores. So this is the total number of shares that will be available, and the face value for each share is 2. Issue summary is around it is having a price band of 165 to 166, and the bid lot is 90 shares and multiples of 9. Okay. The issue will start on 7th of September and it will be open till 9th of September. So the objective of this particular IPO is that to meet the long-term capital requirement and also to have general corporate purposes. So most probably it will be for expansion, and it is going to be listed in both BSE and as well as NSE. Here, out of 100%, 10% are allocated for the retail investors. Okay, so I'm only focusing on the retail investors part. 10% is allocated to retail investors. Okay, after this particular IPO, this is the percentage of the share that will be available for each of promoters and the public. Okay. Now, should you subscribe to this particular IPO? What I would say is that from an IT company perspective, this IT company is focusing into the niche skills area. Okay, that is something like a digital arena. So they have their expertise in robot automation framework, cyber security, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things, etc. Which is the most trending topics or technologies in the IT field. Having said that, this is a mid-cap company, and the leading players of this particular IT industry, that is like TCS, Infosys, and other big giants, they are investing a very lot of money in this particular technologies. So they're also migrating their frame of work into this particular digital portfolio. So in that case, what happens is like this particular company, small companies face tough competition from the big giants. Okay, and in such case, I would say that these companies on a long run will find it very difficult to maintain this particular growth potential. Um, so my suggestion is that you should subscribe it only for the listing gain, because having this particular having this particular company in your portfolio for a long term, it's not advisable. So I would say that you can subscribe it, and I'm sure that there will be listing gain for this particular company. And once you get a listing gain, you can just sell it off, and you can just move to next IPO that is coming in the pipeline. So this is my suggestion, and I hope that you'll be able to get some information about from this particular video. And thank you so much, and have a nice time.